Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a signature in Gmail. So let's go to Gmail first. After go to Gmail, you have to click on this settings icon, and then you'll find here see all settings. Click on this. Now in General tab, you have to scroll down till you find this signature option. This one. Okay. Now you can see here that no signatures. You have to click on Create Now or Create New. Click on this and add your signature here. This is the signature of your you can type from your keyboard. This is a signature, and if you have any picture signature, if you want to add any, you have to click on this insert image option, and then you can upload from your Google Drive, or you can go here upload option, click on select a file from your device. Now go to your desired location and you can add your signature here. This is your signature. You can add in Google account. So this is how you can do this, guys. After that, you have to click on save changes. After click on save changes, your signature will be added. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.